ChatGPT is making a lot of noise at the moment, and some believe this is why AI-based crypto coins are surging too. So in this video, we will be introducing you to what ChatGPT is, how to make money with ChatGPT in 2023, how ChatGPT is changing the future, and which specific jobs ChatGPT is diminishing. But before we get into the details of all about ChatGPT, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video on our YouTube channel, NFTimes, where you will always be getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It's also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So without any further delay, let's start the video with what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a type of machine learning model known as a transformer. This type of model is designed to understand and generate natural language, making it a powerful tool for tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and question answering. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like text. This is achieved through the use of a massive dataset and a sophisticated neural network architecture. The model's been trained on a dataset of over 40 gigabytes of text, which allows it to understand and generate a wide range of language styles and formats. One of the main advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to generate contextually appropriate responses to prompts. When given a prompt, the model can generate a response that's coherent and relevant to the input. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks such as chatbot development and language translation. Another advantage of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text that's similar to human writing. The model's been trained on a wide range of texts, including books, articles, and websites, which allows it to understand and generate language that's similar to what humans use. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks such as content generation and language summarization. In addition to its natural language generation capabilities, ChatGPT can also be used for other tasks, such as text classification and text completion. The model can understand the meaning and context of the text, which makes it useful for tasks such as sentiment analysis and text summarization. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile language model that can understand and generate natural language. Its ability to generate contextually appropriate responses in text that's similar to human writing makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of tasks. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how it works and its potential applications, be sure to watch the video until the end. Let's move towards how to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. One of the most popular ways to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to develop chatbots. With its ability to generate contextually appropriate responses, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can understand and respond to customer inquiries. These chatbots can be used in a variety of industries, including customer service, e-commerce, and healthcare. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate content. The model's been trained on a wide range of texts, which allows it to understand and generate language that's similar to human writing. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks such as article writing, blog post creation, and product descriptions. You can also use ChatGPT to generate summaries of long-form content, such as news articles or research papers. By using the model to generate summaries, you can save time and effort while still providing valuable information to your audience. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create automated language translation services. With its ability to understand and generate natural language, ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another. This can be useful for businesses that operate in multiple countries or for individuals who need to communicate with speakers of different languages. You can also use ChatGPT for sentiment analysis and text classification tasks. With its ability to understand the meaning and context of the text, ChatGPT can be used to identify the sentiment of a given text and classify it into different categories. This can be useful for businesses that want to track customer sentiment and improve their products and services. Lastly, you can also use ChatGPT to generate captions and subtitles for videos. With its ability to understand and generate natural language, ChatGPT can be used to automatically generate captions and subtitles for videos. This can save time and effort while also making your videos more accessible to viewers with hearing impairments. As you can see, there are many ways to make money with ChatGPT. Whether you're a business owner looking to improve customer service, a content creator looking to save time, or an individual looking to earn money from home, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. And if you've loved the innovations done by AI, you would also love the 5 AI coins to buy, which we have explained in another video, and the link is in the description. so do watch if you're interested. Furthermore, talking about how ChatGPT is changing the future and which jobs ChatGPT is diminishing. We can say ChatGPT is changing the future by automating many jobs that were previously done by humans. For example, as we explained earlier, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can understand and respond to customer inquiries. This can lead to a decrease in the need for human customer service representatives. Similarly, ChatGPT can be used to generate content, which can lead to a decrease in the need for human writers. ChatGPT is also changing the future by making many tasks more efficient and accurate. As we also explained earlier, the ChatGPT can be used to generate summaries of long-form content, such as news articles or research papers. This can save time and effort while still providing valuable information to the audience. Correspondingly, ChatGPT can also be used for sentiment analysis and text classification tasks, which can make these tasks more efficient and accurate. Another way ChatGPT is changing the future is by making it possible for machines to understand and generate natural language, which can lead to the development of more advanced AI systems. While many believe ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can automate many jobs and make tasks more efficient, some people consider it a threat, as it's also diminishing certain jobs that involve natural language generation, such as content writing and customer service. Additionally, jobs that involve text summarization, language translation, and text classification may also be impacted. But it's important to note that ChatGPT is still in its early stages, and the extent to which it will impact these jobs remains to be seen. It's also worth considering that while certain jobs may be diminished by ChatGPT, it also creates opportunities for new jobs and business ventures utilizing this technology. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that's changing the future by automating many jobs and making tasks more efficient. While it may diminish certain jobs that involve natural language generation, it also creates opportunities for new jobs and business ventures. In the end, you also need to understand that Elon Musk is the co-founder of OpenAI, the organization that developed ChatGPT, which makes its prospects very bright. As for the future outlook of ChatGPT, it's considered a promising technology with a wide range of potential applications. However, like any other technology, ChatGPT also has its limitations, and it's still in its early stages. The extent to which it will impact certain jobs remains to be seen, but it's expected that ChatGPT will continue to evolve and improve with time. OpenAI is also continuing to work on developing more advanced AI systems, so we can expect to see further advancements in natural language processing and generation capabilities in the future. And that's the end of the video. Now, if you have any questions related to anything we explained, then do mention that below in the comments box. Now, if you found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel NFTimes for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.